Hello guys, I'm back with another Rubik's Cube video. This one's about OLL. OLL stands for Orientation of the Last Layer. This is beginner OLL, is when you're learning how to solve the yellow face, an easier way than advanced OLL. So first you have to start off about knowing how to solve the yellow cross, like a normal 3x3 Rubik's Cube, even in beginner method. This is the first case, is when you have a line of yellow. You can ignore the corners for now. A line of yellow. That means two edges and then the center and no other edges. You can't put this one as in a vertical way. It has to be horizontal, and then do this simple algorithm: F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime, and then you get the yellow cross. Okay, this is another case for the cross, is when you have only two edges and the yellow center, and it's in this angle shape. But you have to be careful. It can't be in any other position. It has to be like this, like down, up, to the right, and that's how this case will work. You have to do, instead, you have to do 2F. You have to move two layers in the F direction. Then you have to do R, U, R prime, U prime, then 2F prime, and then you get the cross. Okay, this is the last case for the yellow cross. It's when you have no yellow edges and only the yellow center. What you have to do here is that you have to do the line case first. I call this one the line. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. And then you'll get the angle, and then you'll do the angle case. 2F, R, U, R prime, U prime, and then 2F prime, and then you'll get the cross. Okay, this is the first beginner OLL case. It's when you have only one yellow corner facing up, and when you have that, you have to put it in front of you, and then you have to look at the corner next to it. If the corner has a yellow piece facing you, you have to do an algorithm, but right now it's not, so you have to keep turning it. The yellow corner that's facing up is still on the line facing me, and then there's this yellow corner on this side facing me. So this algorithm, when you have this on the right is the yellow corner facing up, and on the left is the yellow corner facing you, you have to do this algorithm: L prime, U prime, L, U, L prime, U prime 2, and then L. And that's how you solve the stop layer for this case. Okay, this is another case. It's similar to the last one. It's when you have only one yellow corner facing up, but and you have to search if there's on the other side, if there's a yellow facing you, a yellow corner facing you here. Here it's not like the last time, so we turn it. This is still it's on the line facing me, it's facing up, and there's this yellow piece facing me. So when the yellow corner with the yellow facing up is on the left, and with the yellow piece facing you on the right, you have to do this algorithm: R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And that's how you solve the yellow side. Okay, so this is another OLL case, is when there are two yellow corners facing up diagonal from each other. What you have to do here is find the position where the non-yellow corner facing up is facing you, and the other one is facing that way. What you have to do is take it down, or X you could say, then do R prime, U, R, D prime, R prime, U prime, R, D prime, D, sorry. Then take it up, and the yellow is now full. Okay, so this is another OLL case, is when non-yellow corners are facing up, and there are two that are facing you, and two that are facing the back. So you have to put these facing you like I did here, and you have to do F, and then do 3 right algs, or 3 R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime. I did 3, and then I do F prime, and then it's solved. This is another case when no yellow corners are facing up, but this time there are two that could be facing you, like here. You should put them facing you. But this time one is facing that way and the other one is facing the other way. So now what you have to do is, when these two are facing you, you have to turn it to the left, or just make it so this one is only facing you and this one's facing that way. And this algorithm, what you have to do R U2 R2 U prime, R2 U prime, R2 U2 R, and that's how you solve it. Okay, this is a case where two yellow corners are facing up. They can be facing up in a horizontal way like this, or in a vertical way. It depends how you're holding it. And there are two that aren't. One is facing that way, the yellow one is facing that way, and the other one is facing that way. What you have to do is you have to move it to the right, and then go down. Otherwise, you could say X, and then do this algorithm. You have to do L U R prime U prime L prime U R U prime, and then you take it back up, and it's solved. Okay, this is the final case when two yellow corners are facing up in a horizontal way or a vertical way, like the last case. And but this time the two that aren't facing up are both facing that way. So what you have to do, you have to turn it twice to when these two are facing you, and do this algorithm: R2 D R prime U2 R D prime R prime U2 R prime, and it's solved. Seconds. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.